Hey traders, the market is open and ticking. I want to walk through the motivations for a short that I took today, as well as what I see coming up as we go into the close of this week, the close of Friday. Let's take a look at these charts. Now, the first thing to pay attention to is to keep in mind the closing read from yesterday that we saw weakness in the bullish trend traders. And that led to an expectation that the bears may give this a chance. So looking at the tension chart, you could see this morning that the market opened and tension released and then started to move sideways. I was keenly paying attention to if we saw some bulls or bears showing up today. And into the first hour of today, which is this section here, I didn't see any opportunities for bulls or bears here or here. And then the market began to move up. And I was forced to ask the question, why? So when we got to the highs, I was thinking that this was an unjustified move up. So I was looking for buy orders to fill, which you see these red bars are buy orders across the New York Stock Exchange. And then I can show you this was the position that I took as it got to the highs and the buy orders stopped filling. That was the moment that I took to fill an order. So keep in mind that this trade had to do with watching the market from yesterday through tonight and this morning and putting that all together to believe that the bulls had some weakness. And then seeing that there was no opportunities to buy, I believed that this was an unjustified rally and that I would be selling into what I call a hole. So going into the future, what's coming up next? We need to figure out if tension will continue to build or stress test the trend. We have the opportunity here for velocity to come up and sample the bears. If the bears can show up, tension will likely move a little bit higher here and then begin to sell off and look like it wants to stress test the trend, which will be it moving towards zero. Otherwise, if decay can move down and stress test or test here and offer a chance for the bulls to come in, then tension might move down a little bit and then curve up into the close, and we will have bulls active in the market again, and perhaps they will be able then to continue their bullish trending mindset another day or two next week. What's going to be important for you to do is pay attention to future liquidity. I mean, where could liquidity show up and how does the market respond to seeing that liquidity in the future? Then as the trend traders are sampled, you'll need to make sure you pay attention to how they trade. If they show up quickly, sweep the market, and can influence the broad market, that's tension, the advanced decline in velocity, then we'll know that that side is there and it can help you model what to expect the rest of the day. I hope this was helpful to hear my commentary. As always, good luck trading.